How to use alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, for mental balance. Have you ever felt overwhelmed, anxious, or scattered? Sometimes the simplest tool to restore calm and clarity lies right under our nose. Literally. Today we are exploring alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana, a powerful breath practice to bring mental balance and sharpen your focus. Nadi Shodhana means clearing the energy channels in Sanskrit. It's a yogic breathing technique where you breathe alternately through each nostril, helping to harmonize the left and the right hemispheres of your brain. Science supports this. Studies from institutions like the National Institute of Mental Health have shown that alternate nostril breathing can reduce stress, lower heart rate, and improve attention by balancing your autonomic nervous system. Let's try it together. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Bring your right hand up to your nose. Use your thumb to gently close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through your left nostril for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale slowly through the right nostril for a count of 4. Inhale again through the right nostril for 4 counts. Close the right nostril, release the left, and exhale through the left nostril. That's one full cycle. Continue this pattern for 5 minutes, breathing smoothly and evenly. This rhythmic breathing helps calm your nervous system, reduce cortisol levels, and bring your brainwaves into a more balanced state. Practicing Nadi Shodhana regularly can improve emotional resilience, reduce anxiety, and increase your ability to focus deeply, even in the busiest moments. So, whenever your mind feels chaotic or your energy feels off, take a moment to pause and breathe, alternating nostrils, balancing your inner world. 5 minutes of this simple breath practice can bring clarity, calm, and centered focus to your day. Remember, balance starts with a single breath. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for important updates. Do not forget to follow us on social media.